Hello, I'm John Michael Jadake and I'm going to teach you how to download Windows 95. I already have the video here. I'm gonna explain it to you. First, open new Windows 95, press finish, go to settings, storage, put the disk of Windows 95 there, the Windows 95. Okay, then press start. Let's wait for power up. Enter, enter, continue, continue, continue. Let's wait for the formatting there. That's it. Yes. So let's input the custom, input the product key. I already have product key. You can copy my product key. Wait there. No. 34698003968272135. Then window Win95. Yes. Next. Let's wait again. Copying files. Wait again. Wait again. Finish. Oh no. We're gonna need to remove the flap, the disk, and put the patcher 9X there. Move and the floppy disk. We're gonna put the patcher. We're gonna put it. Press 2. Patcher 9X. Press 2. Press enter. Yeah. Y. X. Close. Remove the patcher and start again. Yeah. I computer name, my name, Danke, TUP group. Yeah. You just skip the file, skip it. Skip, skip. There you go. Control programming on the start menu. Those time zone, you just press OK there. And there you go. Your Windows 95 is officially running. Yeah, that's that's all. We're gonna power up the machine. Thank you.